So today we're going to learn about division in this Python Hackering Python challenge. So we have two division operators. One is for integers and one is for float. Okay, so the challenge asks us to do the two both. So basically, first integer and second float. So that's easy enough. Print and then a divisible by b. So and then the second one is basically copy and paste and then just delete one of the operator. So this will be our integer. So this is a new operators for us in Python 3, and this is float. Okay, so let's try and test this. So it worked as expected, and then submit. So that's for division operator.